Yo, what's going on YouTube? Back again. It's the Brat Man. No, this is not a motorcycle. This is a 2005 Dodge Ram 5.7 HEMI. I'm just going to do a sound check. I did a 3-inch straight pipe on this from the cat back so you guys can hear what it sounds like. You can see the no muffler. Cats are still on there. 3-inch stainless pipe straight to the back. Muffler delete. So I'll do a sound check on this so you guys can hear what this sounds like. Try to get my camera ran over. So yeah, here's the sound check. 2005 Dodge Ram HEMI straight pipe. Sound check. Trying to get the camera adjusted right there. Should be all right. Check of the 2005 Dodge Ram, and I gotta go now because someone's gonna call the cops because it sounded pretty damn loud. So here's a quick walk around of this truck. 2005 Dodge Ram HEMI, and still working on it. I just kind of buttered it up a little bit. I didn't make it like too nice, but it looks pretty good. It doesn't look too bad. So yeah, this is the exhaust sound check. 2005 Dodge Ram 5.7 HEMI. Quick walk around. I bought a few little things for this truck. I got a new back bumper. I gotta put that on. I didn't do that yet, but I'm just gonna get bigger mirrors. I got headlights, different headlights. Got the black grille. Put the 20-inch wheels. They're from a 2011, 2012. Yeah, 2012 Dodge Ram. So I'll keep you guys posted with some more updates. Yeah, I don't think anyone called the cops. I don't see any cops yet, but actually I'm right across from the state police barracks. It's like literally right over there. Good place to do a sound check exhaust video, right? Alright guys, be safe out there. Stay tuned for more videos. If you like my channel, like and subscribe. And be safe out there. It's the Brat Man signing off. I'll be back with some more motorcycle vids and some dirt bike vids. So stay tuned. See you guys. Be safe.